Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video, we'll be doing some examples on basic differentiation. So the first one, we have f of x is equal to x minus 3 all squared. Next one is 2x plus 1 times x plus 4. And lastly, we have 10x to the fourth minus 30x squared all over x squared minus 1. So let's start with the first one. So we have f of x is equal to x minus 3 squared. So at this point, ang pwede natin gawin is to expand, no? So f of x would be equal to x squared minus 6x plus 9. And so if we use yung addition and subtraction rules natin sa differentiation, sinasabi niya na pwede lang natin i-take yung derivative ng each component, no? And makuha natin yung derivative ng whole function. So f prime of x, so using power rule, x squared, bababa natin yung exponent, then minus 1 sa exponent. So this is 2x raised to 1. No? So hindi na natin kailangan ilagay 1. Next is minus 6x. So yung exponent ng x is 1, tama? So bababa natin siya and minus 1 sa exponent. So magiging 6 times 1, x to the 0. So just 1. And then exponent ng and then 9 is a constant, so just plus 0. So, or just 0. So, f prime of x is equal to 2x minus 6. Okay? So, moving to the next one, we have f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 times x plus 4. So in this case, we will be using the product rule. So, yung product rule, sinasabi is the left times right plus the right times left. Okay, so f prime of x is, so derivative ng left, so is 2x plus 1. So ano yung derivative ng 2x? Is just 2. Then times the right one, so x plus 4. Plus the right, so ano ngayon yung derivative ng x plus 4? That is just 1. Times the left one, so that is 2x plus 1. So if we simplify this, this will become 2x plus 8 plus 2x plus 1. And f prime of x is equal to 4x plus 9. Okay? So, ang derivative ng 2x plus 1 times x plus 4 is 4x plus 9. And we can actually check this. So, we multiply out natin to. So, this will become f of x is equal to 2x squared plus, this will become 8x plus 9x plus 8, no? And using yung natutunan natin kanina, f prime of x, pwede natin just take the derivative of each term. So this will become 2 times, bababa natin yung exponent, then minus 1 sa exponent. So 2 times 2x plus yung x dito, may exponent na 1, so bababa natin, then minus 1. So this will become just plus 9. Then 8 is a constant, so this is plus 0. So f prime of x is equal to 4x plus 9. And we get the same answer. Okay? And lastly, let's move to our last example. F of x is 10x to the fourth minus 30x squared all over x squared minus 1. So, sabi natin, if we have a polynomial over a polynomial, ang gagawin natin is low d high minus high d low all over low squared. No? So let's do that. Low, so low is just copy x squared minus 1. The high is derivative ng exponent. Is yung derivative ng numerator. No? So this will become 40x cubed minus 60x minus high. So copy natin yun sa numerator. 10x to the fourth minus 30x squared times d low. So this will become 2x minus 0. Okay? All over low squared. So, papahin lang natin, x squared minus 1 squared. No? So, and this is our f prime of x. And usually, hindi na to sa atin pinapasimplify. No? We just leave it in this form. Okay? So, in this video, we had 3 examples, and I hope to see you in the next video.